Hello and welcome everyone to this video tutorial. In this video, we will learn how to escape single quotes in PostgreSQL. We will explore a different method to escape a single quotes in SQL statement when working with PostgreSQL. Escaping single quotes is crucial to prevent syntax errors and ensure the integrity of your database. We will cover three common methods: double single quotes, \e, and $quoted strings. Let's get started. Let's consider a simple scenario where we have a table called employees and we want to insert a new employee's name into the database. However, the employee's name contains a single quote which we need to escape properly. Before we proceed, let me show you what happens if we don't escape the single quote properly. Let's try inserting a new employee's name without any escaping. As you can see, when we execute this code, PostgreSQL throws an error due to the unescaped single quote in the employee's name. This syntax error can cause issues in your queries and lead to unexpected behavior. Now let's use a double single quote method to escape the single quote within the employee's name. Let's see how it works. In this example, we replace the single quote with a two consecutive single quotes. This method allows PostgreSQL to treat the double single quotes as a single quote within the string. Let's execute this code. After executing this code, you can see that you have successfully inserted the employee's name into the database with a single quote. Using a double single quote is a simple and widely supported way to escape a single quotes in SQL statements. However, it can be cumbersome when dealing with multiple single quotes or complex queries. Next, let's explore the \e method, which is specific to PostgreSQL. This method allows us to use the \/ character to escape a special characters, including a single quotes. In this example, we use the e prefix before the string containing the employee's name. The \/ before the single quote escapes it within the string. Let's execute the code and see. As you can see, this time again you have successfully inserted the employee's name into database with a single quote using the \e. The \/ method is useful when dealing with complex SQL queries or large chunks of text. However, it requires remembering to use the e prefix and properly escaping both the \/ and the single quote. Lastly, let's explore the $quoted string method. This method is highly flexible and allows us to use a multiple line of text without worrying about escaping a single quotes. In this example, we surrounded the employee's name with double dollar delimiters. This way, we don't need to escape the single quote inside the string. Make it easier to read and write complex queries. Let's execute the code and see. Again, you have inserted the employee's name with a single quotes. The $quoted string method is powerful and a convenient way to handle a string with a single quote without worrying about escaping them individually. It's an excellent choice for writing a clean and maintainable SQL code. You have learned 3 different ways to escape a single quote in PostgreSQL accurately. Using proper escaping technique is essential for avoiding syntax errors and maintaining data integrity. Depending upon your preference and the complexity of your queries, you can choose between double single quotes, \e, $quoted string. So at last, I want to say don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and thank you.